name is Natalie.
Hi, my name is Erica.
And we're from the Snap Ed team at Zufall Health. So today we're going to roast some vegetables. Roasting is an easy and simple and affordable way to enjoy your veggies.
Hoy vamos a aprender a asar nuestros vegetales. Asar es una forma económica, saludable y sencilla para disfrutar nuestros vegetales.
So now that we've cut up all our veggies, we have preheated the oven to 400 degrees with a baking sheet inside.
Ok, ya cortamos nuestros vegetales y ya el horno ya está prendido a 400 con una bandeja para calentar los vegetales.
So now we're going to add a tablespoon of vegetable oil to our vegetables here. We have some Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, red bell peppers, orange bell peppers, and some chickpeas. We're also going to add some salt and pepper, but you can also add maybe some garlic powder, chili powder, or whatever kind of seasonings that you would like.
Ok, vamos a usar aceite de vegetales para ponerle a nuestros vegetales y sal y pimiento, y si usted quiere puede usar otro condimento de su opción.
So now that we've added our condiments to our vegetables, we're going to add them to the preheated baking sheet and we're going to separate them into each corner.
Ahora que ya le ponemos los condimentos a nuestros vegetales, vamos a ponerlo en la bandeja en cada esquina.
So now we got our veggies on our preheated baking sheet. So we're going to put them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes, and you can check them in at 20.
Ahora nuestros vegetales ya están en la bandeja y ya están listos para el horno. Los vamos a poner por 30 minutos y en unos 20 minutos los puede chequear.
So now after 30 minutes, our vegetables are ready to be eaten. You can pour this over some rice or some salad or just eat them by themselves and enjoy.
Ahora nuestros vegetales ya están listos. Lo puede usar en una ensalada, lo puede comer con arroz o lo puede comer así solo.